Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to change the straps on your Huawei Band 9. So, all you need to do is simply locate the buttons that are just next to the straps. So as you can see, you have this button here and a button on the other side next to the strap. So, to remove these straps so that you can use different ones, all you need to do is simply press on this button until you hear the strap detaching and then pull. So press and hold, and then as you can see, it's already let go and I've removed the strap. So I can do the same for the other side. Press and hold and then pull. So now you can grab any other straps that you have. It can be third-party straps, they could be straps of different colors or straps of different sizes, and just ensure that they're compatible with your smartband. So once you've grabbed your other straps that you're going to be using, you want to go back to the port where you just removed the previous straps, and you want to simply push them in. So you want to ensure that these are aligned with the ones here, like that, and then just push in, and you should hear a clicking sound, which means that you've successfully added the second strap. The strap that you want to put in. So do the same on the other side. Ensure that it's aligned. Push in. Once you've had the click, it means the mechanism has locked and the strap won't fall off. So now you've successfully changed the strap on your Huawei Band 9. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.